Good morning, it is Clay Trader, and this will be a live video. I'm going to try to catch some trades, so I will keep you posted. Going for some, and then there I'm in. Now looking to sell at 385, so I'm out. Sorry that happened in a blink of an eye. Let's see if I can catch some more trades here. Okay, going to go for some at 370. If we can pull it on there, it looks like 380 is a pretty sturdy level of support though, so I may be bumping it up to 381. But let's see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Going for some Twitter here at 31.51. Big move here now, pullback. So I'm in. Look to sell at 31.56. But you can see here, big pullback or big move upwards. Now there's a pullback here. So I like the entry here as it's just kind of buying into a little bit of weakness here, but it's happened after this bigger type move. So there's going to be some resistance right there at 55. You can see that big order sitting in right there. So let's see if it can push through 55. And there we go. I'm all out. So there's $50 on Twitter. Going for some shares here of Facebook at 63.21. Probably should have had it at that moving average down there. Let's see if it can drop down any more. All right, I will let you know if it looks like it's going to get any closer. Going for some Facebook at 63.01, but let's see, low 63.16, 63.16. So this area right here at 63.16, that's what's going to have to fall. And this is based more off of the 5-minute chart, the entry. But let's see if the 16s can fall here. That's definitely going to be the key support that should spring it lower. So there we go. Next one will probably be 10, just because that's kind of a round number there. You can see right here around the 16 zone, holding up as support right now. All right, well, if it looks like it's going to break below 10, I will be back and try to catch the entry. Okay, now looking to go short at 63.30. I have 500, 600. There, I'm all in. So looking to cover here at 63.25. $63.30 was a previous area of support, which then turned into a resistance, so that's why I shorted up there. So let's see if I can get some sort of pullback here. Okay, I'm out there. So $50 on Facebook. Let's see if I can catch some more. Have an order in the short at 63.40. Again, based off the 5-minute chart. Will it go up that far? I don't know. We'll see. It's struggling here with the low 30s, and they're back below 30, you can see. But that is where my next current order is at, 63.40. So let's see if it can push up there and get me filled. Okay, we're making some progress here. There I am in at 63.40. So I'll look to cover here around the 63.35 area. Looking like 45 is an area of support, or excuse me, resistance. Curious to see what type of candle forms right here. All right, I will pause it and I will keep you updated here. Okay, I have an order in the short some more up here at 63.58. So we'll see if it can get back up there. Kind of just, my entry point put me in a bizarre little spot here. It doesn't want to quite drop below 40 for, where I can just get out. But it doesn't want to really... I'm kind of in bizarro world right now with it. We'll see if it can drop below 40, but it just, every time as it gets down there, it just doesn't want to do it. All right, and there we are, out at 65 or 63.35. So, yeah, went from bizarro world to then getting a nice little move here. So I should have probably been a little bit more aggressive on trying to short up there in the 50s, but whatever. Totally talking in hindsight. Let's see if I can catch another trade. Going for some shares there, I'm in. Now looking to sell at 81.12 on WDAY. Only 500 because it's one of these big spreads, which you can see I just got there. So $60. See if I can catch some more on this one. Gonna go for some more down at 80.85. Will it get down there? We shall see. But you can just see, just really getting beat up. But if you're not too greedy and just play the spread, these can be pretty attractive. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here at 62.65 on Facebook. You can see here, just getting beat up brutally here. So getting pretty overextended in an overextended state. And if I can get filled on this candle, it'll be that much more of an overextended state. So we'll see if I can get any there at 62.65 or not. Okay, looking to go short here at 81.68 on WDAY for 500 shares. Okay, I'm in. Looking to cover at 81.55. And well, looking like the spread got the best of me right now, but that's why I only go in with 500 shares for that first entry. Change that up to 81.60 or so, as I need to acknowledge the fact that I just flat out didn't get that attractive of an entry there. So that 82.60. I'll short some more at 82.60 if it can get up there. Okay, so I got those. Now my average is 82.14. And you can see here that I'm getting kind of caught in a little bounce here. Short some more at 82.95 if I can get those. I mean, the chart is clearly getting kind of overextended here. So let's see what happens with it. I will pause it as the video is running a little long. I will keep you updated. Well, it was kind of a pure disaster. I was able to work my way out of it, but I do want you to see that took a loss on it, and it just I was actually at one time, believe it or not, down $2,200, but I worked the trade, and worked the trade. That's just a loaded statement. Are you serious? Well, I would have officially been well into the profit now. Darn it. I had my average build up to 82.95, so you could see I could have been covering the remainder. Anyways, who cares? Point being, I am now only up $71 on the day. So I went from a very nice morning to just getting myself. I was playing with fire, and I kind of got burned, but that's why you don't go in on these big spreads and take a huge position, because I went in small. I was able to trade around things and keep it a minimal loss. It's 10:20 a.m. So still plenty of time left in the day to wipe away these. I want to say wipe away these losses, but I mean I'm still up, like I said, $71 on the day. So still time to get up to my at least $500 a day goal. But just want to show that there's no such thing as somebody that's going to win all the time. So I took the loss here, and like I said, I don't want to record because it was actually this video would probably be 20 minutes long by now. But it was just one of those things where I just shorted some more, built my position up, and then this pullback is what I needed to sell out. And at this point, I was in loss mitigation mode, so I knew I was going to take a loss, but I just wanted to keep the loss as small as possible. And to be honest, I'm pretty darn happy because, like I said, this was at one point down. It was showing me like a $2,200 loss. So from $2,200 and working it down to $154, I'll take that all day long, and consider that still puts me up $71 on the day. So losing trade there, it happens. Kept it small. So life will go on, and I will keep on chugging away. So I am going to wrap things up, though. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this with charts, and particularly candlestick charts, which is what you see over here, and then level 2s, I offer courses on this stuff. If you go to claytrader.com, you can look in the course store. Also have a trading group. You can hang out with me and others during the day. Just chat room, weekly newsletter, all sorts of good stuff. So check that stuff out. And all very cost effective, so hopefully decide to sign up and at least give it a try. If anything, read some of the testimonials and see what other traders are saying. So thank you for listening. Hope you learned something. If you did learn something, if you only take one thing away from this takeaway, keep your losses small. Don't let them get out of control, and don't be scared to to take them. That's part of the game.